This is how to use IZO Manual Fryer with a prober.
First, fill the water tray. Before turning anything on, fill the metal tray above the heating elements with water. This helps to generate humidity for the proving. Always check before each use. Switch on the fryer using the power button. Set the prover temperature. Press Set on the prover control panel. Use the up and down arrows to select your temperature. Recommended 30 to 34 Celsius for proving donuts. Press Set again to confirm. Set the fryer temperature. Press Set on the fryer control panel. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the desired frying temperature. Press Set again to confirm. The fryer will begin heating. Load donuts into the prover. Place trays of donuts onto the trolley. Then roll the trolley into the prover. Monitor water level. Check the water tray every hour during use. If the tray runs dry, do not refill immediately. Wait for it to cool to prevent warping. Turn off the prover when ready. Once proving is done, press Set, lower the value to 0, then press Set again. The prover will stop heating. Frying the donuts. Transfer proofed donuts on the loader tray on top of the frying basket. Make sure that the tray is aligned using the 2 guide pins. Lift the loader tray from 2 handles. The donuts will gently drop into the oil to fry on the first side. Frying time. Start your timer for the first side. Once done, it's time to flip. Lift the frying basket until the bottom of the loader tray is just beneath the oil surface. Use your left hand to hold the basket steady. With your right hand, flip the right side handle upwards to rotate the basket. Start the timer again for the second side. When both sides are done, lift the basket out of the oil using both hands. Let the donuts drain briefly. Then slide the basket onto the left side drip tray. Flip the handle towards yourself. The donuts will drop onto the tray. Return the basket to its resting position and lower it. You're ready for the next batch. Quick tips for the usage. Always fill the water tray before turning on the unit. Never add cold water to a hot, empty tray. Keep the control panels clean and dry. Follow daily cleaning procedures after use. Repeat or power down. If done for the day, turn off the fryer and allow both units to cool before cleaning.